If somebody's not using affiliate coupon API today, what's the biggest opportunity cost that they're missing out on?
I think you're going to be leaving money on the table because if you have like sort of a cashback site or a shopping portal site without coupons, you're going to have leakage of people going and looking for those coupons elsewhere. It's just the nature of shoppers today.
This is Dustin Howes with Affiliate Nerd Out. Welcome to the Nerdatorium. Hey, folks, welcome to Affiliate Nerd Out. I am your nerderator, Dustin Howes, here with another edition of Software Review. With me in the Nerdatorium today, three-timer club veteran Brooke Schaff with FMTC. Welcome back, Brooke.
Dustin, thank you for having me.
I think this is your third time, might be fourth. We're working towards getting you a jacket for the Nerdatorium here, though, in the fight.
You got to do that for real, Dustin. Green blazer, and then you can throw a party and everyone will show up in their jackets.
Yes, I like your thinking here. But today we're talking about FMTC and affiliate coupon APIs. FMTC is a leader in this space. And not only that, Brooke, one of the smartest visionaries in the affiliate industry. Always enjoy you coming in here. Tell us about what you do and who you serve out there, Brooke.
Thank you, Dustin. I have been in the affiliate space since the year 2000 when I got to start at a very young Zappos.com as an in-house affiliate program manager. I've worked in-house, I've had agencies, and then along the way, FMTC was founded at the end of 2007 as a Skunkworks project. FMTC is a coupon and deal feed primarily. We also have product feeds. We also sell services to merchants, including, of course, the AppyStash publisher discovery tool. For today, we're talking about the deal and coupon feed. We power most of the large coupon and reward sites in the English-speaking countries around the world.
Gotcha. You guys make it incredibly easy for those publications to get their coupons and have them up to date. So when people hear affiliate coupon API, it sounds pretty technical. Can you break it down to what it actually means in simple terms and why it matters for publishers out there?
The coupons are content. And when we say coupon, we broadly mean any kind of deal. So buy one, get one, free shipping, any sort of consumer facing offer. And that of which there are many tens of thousands of rows at any given time, usually over 100,000 pieces of data. We work with about 20,000 merchants through the different tracking platforms like Impact, CJ, et cetera. And so the key thing to understand is if you're an affiliate and you want this content to show your users, because these users are seeking this content out, then you want that data available. You want that data to be working. You want that data to be cleanly structured. That is the value proposition of FMTC. We ingest all this data from the different tracking platforms and other sources. We test it, we normalize it, we distribute it. And so it is a cost efficiency for our subscribers.
Excellent. And the FMTC's affiliate coupon API there, how's it different from typical data feeds out there from some other services that might scrape coupon data that publishers are working with?
Yeah, so you could think of a few different sources of data. So one is the network feeds. And if you have a relationship with the merchant, you can go in, you can grab that feed via Rakuten, advertising, via Impact, et cetera. That is the data that comes in dirty, which may sound like a surprise because it is coming from the merchants, but the landing pages often don't work. The coupon codes don't work. The label comes through badly. So if you care about the quality that you're showing your users, you need to have that structured data. You can do it yourself, which is going to take a lot of time and it's going to take a lot of money. You have to build out the APIs to ingest the data. These APIs break all the time. There's a new API from the network. There's a field that has changed. There's a time zone error. We actually uncovered this with one of the major platforms earlier this year. The UGC was in the documentation, but it was actually coming out in Pacific time. So stuff like that comes up quite often. The scraping thing is kind of out there, but that also is probably bad for the user experience because the coupon code sites can scrape each other. The majority of those codes actually probably do not work. They are either expired. Sometimes they're actually just made up. They're invented wholesale. Yeah. Makes for a bad user experience. If you want a good user experience, you're going to want to either process your own data or you're going to want to use FMTC.
Great points. I've had those bad user experiences and it makes me not want to use that merchant anymore. And this is what you're cleaning up and it's well worth the investment. So What role does that data play in performance, and how does this affiliate coupon API improve the conversion rates compared to an unmanaged source or a manual solution out there?
If you don't have the data, you're much less likely to get the click, right? So the
Sure.
user sort of seeks out a coupon or they're shopping through your shopping portal, et cetera. And who doesn't love a deal, right? And
Huh.
so people get nervous about getting the best deal, and they'll often go through sort of a coupon hunting exercise. Now that may be before they go to the merchant. It's important to keep in mind it may also be after they go to the merchant. They shop on the merchant, and they anticipate they will later look for a coupon. And then when they do so, if you're the merchant, you want them to be able to find something. Now, what are the economics behind that? It's going to be negotiated. It's going to be based on each merchant's, individual sort of user profile, shopping patterns, their data, et cetera. But the short of the long is people want that. And every merchant is competed against Amazon at the end of the day. Almost every merchant is. So the content is very important. You want to have a high quality source for that content. If I do say so myself, and that is what FMTC is for.
Excellent. First step, go create your account. Go to dustinhouse.com/FMTC or use the link in the description below and push that get started button to start your 14-day free trial. Sign up takes less than a minute. Then you're going to see a step-by-step process to create your own affiliate coupon API layer. Now connect your affiliate networks. FMTC integrates with 20 plus networks. So instead of logging into each one individually, you're pulling everything into one place through a single affiliate coupon API. If you're working with direct merchants, you can have those two. One-time setup. Now your entire deal ecosystem is centralized. Most teams think that they've solved for this, but without a true affiliate deal feed, you're stuck maintaining these systems manually. Now let's get to the deal feed. This is where the affiliate coupon API comes to life. You're looking at thousands of live offers across 19,000 plus merchants. And instead of messy, inconsistent data, everything is structured and filterable. You have deal types, categories, networks, location, seasonality. This is what clean, usable affiliate data actually looks like. Also, incredibly helpful feature for any affiliate or publisher on this platform. When you're looking for merchants, you can find the representatives or the partner managers that work there along with their contact information. And this is super helpful when you need to reach out to the brands that you actually want to work with. Here's the big difference: every deal in this system is tested, validated, and standardized. That's the power of the API with this coupon feed. You're not just aggregating data here, you're getting reliable, ready to use offers. Click, copy, done. No formatting, no cleanup, no Q&A. Want to save hours of your work week? This is exactly what happens when your workflow is powered by an affiliate coupon feed instead of that old manual process. And if you're scaling, you don't even need to be in this interface. Everything is available via API, JSON, XML, CSV. You can plug them directly into your platform and fully automate your deal ingestion. This is where the affiliate coupon API becomes infrastructure. All right, Brooke, for someone who's running a content site or a newsletter or a tool, how quickly can they plug in FMTC's API into generating revenue?
Yeah, so technically it's going to be a matter of hours. In practical terms, it might be a few days. The API documentation is excellent. The API itself is excellent. And so usually what it does is involves integrating it with your content management system. You're going to be doing some testing. Some of our users have to go to a holding pen. Some of it populates straight to the site. You can also access with our user interface to hunt and peck deals directly, which some people do with a solopreneur offering that we have. Our core user is going to be an enterprise subscriber that's pulling the API all day, every day. And so that content is continuously being refreshed throughout the day. Again, it's ready to be published straight to the site if you like, or you can edit it and adjust it as you want. The data has really good fields. We extract the value from this data. So you can query the data by the type, by the how good the deal is. And so you can do very advanced features, not only to display the data, but also if you were doing business development with the merchant to try and get better coupons, you can say like, look, this is kind of a common coupon that's out there, or your competitor has a certain kind of coupon. Let's do a better deal here. So that can be very helpful for business development as
Mm.
well as for the user content experience.
Yeah, having that visibility as the publisher and recognizing what's the internet best coupon out there and how can we get a hold of it or something similar is a super helpful position for a business development team out there. And looking ahead, how do you see the affiliate coupon APIs evolving as AI and automations become more integrated with affiliate marketing workflows?
It's important to note that a challenge the space has is that a lot of the coupon data out there is bad. As mentioned, it's expired, it's just made up, etc. And so I think that's harming the space quite a bit because users don't look for coupons if they're not going to be able to find any, if they don't believe that. And so if you're a site, you want to have a really clean value. We work with the cashback and reward sites. We work with the buy now, pay later guys. We work with the traditional old school coupon sites. We work with the browser extensions. Everybody who's displaying that kind of data. And then a lot of people just use this for looking up the merchant data as well, because we have that data structured to the program data. And so if you're showing this content to your users and you have good quality content, that makes for a very good user experience. And that will keep people coming back to you.
Good to go. And last question for you. If somebody's not using affiliate coupon API today, what's the biggest opportunity cost that they're missing out on?
I think you're going to be leaving money on the table because if you have like sort of a cashback site or a shopping portal site without coupons, you're going to have leakage of people going and looking for those coupons elsewhere. It's just the nature of shoppers today. And you don't want to be leaving money on the table. So give your shoppers everything that they're looking for.
Fantastic. Brooke, thanks so much for joining me today. Appreciate your time.
Thank you, Dustin.
All right, folks, keep on recruiting. We'll see you out there. Listening to the Nerd Out.